Hello! The uprising is finally here. In today's video, I'll be setting up my new editing/streaming rig. This video might end up being a little bit longer because I'm also installing this. It's a dual monitor mount from SHOPPINGALL. I bought it off of Amazon. The link will be in the description below. Now, as you can see, I've already cleared off my desk, so all I really need to do is just figure out where I want to place the mount and then run those cables and those cables and the... Oh God, what have I started? Okay, I've never actually done this before. I've seen it on TV, so we'll see how this works. No, that didn't work. Holy crap, it worked! Now, with all kidding aside, setting up the mount and running all the cables did take the better part of a day. There are a lot of cables back there. The SAGN124D dual monitor mount from SHOPPINGALL supports monitors between 15-inch and 32-inch with a maximum weight of 17.6 pounds. As well, it has compatibility for both 100 by 100 and 75 by 75 VESA mount. The build quality for this mount is quite reasonable. That is, for the price it is. The base and clamps are both made out of steel, and the arms are made from aluminum. However, the connection caps are plastic, which is a little concerning since these are what hold the arms to one another. It would be nice if there was a metal bolt inside the plastic cap to screw into rather than just screwing into the plastic. The swivel and tilt features are both very smooth and can be adjusted. The swivel feature has a 180-degree range, and the tilt feature having a 175-degree range, that being -90 to +85. The rotate feature has a 360-degree range, but it is not smooth nor is it adjustable. All in all, I am quite happy with everything. The only real issue I have with the mount is this, the instructions. They're not good, and that's definitely putting it nicely. I don't even think this actually shows the correct order of installation. Following this is made it take much longer than it should have. And because of this, I decided to change the scope of this video a little and do my own installation guide. Now, I'm pretty sure most of this will work with other makes and models as well, so here we go. With this monitor mount, there are two ways to install the base. Option one is to use the desk clamp, which you would typically clamp the base to the back side of your desk. And option two is to drill a hole into the desk and use a through bolt and a grommet to fasten the base to the desk. This option gives you a little bit more flexibility on where you can place the base. Now, with my desk being attached to the wall, option one won't work for me, so option two it is. Now, before drilling the hole, I took some time and made sure that I picked the correct location for the layout I was wanting. I suggest that you take some time as well. That is, unless you like the idea of a Swiss cheese desk. There are 4 arms, 2 of each type. There is the spring arm. This is the arm that the monitors attach to. And the second type is the extension arm. The extension arm lets you extend the spring arm. Now, depending on how you want your monitor set up will depend on which arms you'll use. And which arms you use will then depend on the best location for the base. After finding the best location for the base, I used a 5/8 inch bit to drill into the desk, and then use the through bolt to fasten the base to the desk. The next thing you'll need to do is slide the arm support clip and the cable run guide onto the base. Then start fastening the arms to the arm support. Once you have the arms attached to the arm support, it's time to slide it onto the base. Once it's on the base, I tighten the 3mm hex screw at the back of the support arm to help limit unwanted movement. Once you have the arms on the base, loosen the tension of the spring arm all the way so the spring arms are easily adjustable. Now place your monitor screen down on your desk. I recommend you place something soft on your desk so that your monitor doesn't get scratched or damaged. With the monitor being face down, align the spring arm with the VESA mount on the back of the monitor. I recommend you test which screws best suit your monitor's VESA mount. You should never over tighten these screws. Doing so may damage the panel. Once you have the monitor fastened to the plate of the spring arm, start tightening the tension of the spring arm to suit the weight of the monitor. The correct tension will have the monitor stay where you position it. Once you finish that, then repeat the same process for the second monitor. Once you have both monitors fastened and balanced, you can start running cables. The easiest way to plug the cables into the monitor in my situation is to tilt the monitors up as far as they will go, and this gave me a clear sight line to the monitor's I/O. The cable runs for this mount can comfortably hold 2 cables. If you're looking to run any more than 3 cables, then they likely won't fit neatly. Once you're done running all your cables, the next step is aligning the monitors. I used a small level to help me make sure it was level. Once I had everything leveled, I tightened the 3mm hex screws at the base of the arms to help limit unwanted movement. And then that's pretty much it for the installation. As you can see with the before and after shots, the monitor mount really helps simplify my space. But with the monitor stands gone, the speakers feel out of place. And since I mainly use headphones, I am questioning should I keep them. Well, that's all I have for this one, all the normal stuff. If you like the video, you know what to do. Think about subscribing. And if you do, click that bell icon so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And as always, thanks for watching, and see you next time.